economic activity is highly uneven across geographic space, and economic variables such as income, output, growth, and unemployment vary across different geographies. Spatial economics, which is also the broad focus of my thesis, concerns with the determinants and effects of the location of economic activity in geographic space. It studies how geographical location shapes the economic activities performed by agents, their interaction with one another, their welfare, and effects of public policy interventions. In my thesis, I study the Indian manufacturing through the lens of spatial economics. In my first essay, I consider a production network featuring multiple sectors and locations and study the effect of industrial policies or subsidies given to different sectors. Using a quantitative spatial model calibrated to Indian manufacturing, I run counterfactual analysis to rank industries that deliver most welfare across the districts. Though policies aim for positive outcomes, the complex interaction of economic forces through production and trade networks can result in positive effects localized to select districts and induce negative effects in others, generating inequality. Through my analysis, I would also be able to comment on the role of industrial policies in generating geographic inequality. In my second essay, I study the role of geography in the usage of imported intermediate inputs. I show that the import intensity of manufacturing decreases as the distance to the nearest seaport or airport increases. This varied or suboptimal usage of imported intermediate inputs, also termed as misallocation in literature, leads to decreased overall productivity. In my analysis, I examine the systematic difference of import misallocation across geographies and quantify the role of internal trade barriers for this misallocation.